Alright, this is the Grapevyne app overview. Today is Friday, January 22nd, 2021. I'll be going over the latest and greatest functionality for the Grapevyne mobile app. I'm going to first log in to the Grapevyne app with my login credentials. I will sign in. Once I sign in, it shows me the latest amount of reviews, and as it's growing, as you can see, we have 70 current reviews. In my initial feed, you'll see all of the reviews left by any members of my Vine network. So right now you can see I am friends with Michael. I am also friends with Edgar, so their reviews are appearing here in my initial feed. In the near future, we'll be adding the functionality to where you as a user, your own reviews are also appearing in your feed, and that will be here shortly as well. I can click over here to what's hot and take a preview of all of the listed products and places that have been reviewed on the Grapevyne app. Only products and places that have been reviewed by a Grapevyne user will appear here in what's hot and what's not. I can see some local pizza places near our testing offices, a couple of products that Michael has reviewed, some of my personal office supplies and snacks. Anything that's rated as what's hot is sorted in highest to lowest ratings for the Grapevyne network and sorted through here, as you can see. If I go to the what's not tab, you can see the opposite in effect. The lowest score in the Grapevyne network showed first. Hops server, obviously not a fan favorite in the system, and those items will populate here. If I go back, I am still in the home tab. That is my feed, what's hot, what's not. I can also search for products and places. This is me searching for products or places that have already been reviewed. So say for instance I'm here and I am looking for Michael's review on Jenga. I can search that product there. Let me go over here to searching by categories. So here you'll see all the categories listed for our products. You can come over here to places. Is going to pull my current location here in Naples, Florida, and it will show me the surrounding businesses near me. As I move throughout town, this map obviously responds and reacts differently. Any sort of place that actually has a review already listed for it, it will appear in the preview box as well. Let me see if I can find one. There we go. Grapevyne Digital Agency at 3369 Pine Ridge Road. Since it already has a review submitted by Grapevyne users, you'll see this preview here that shows the scores for each of the Vine networks there in the preview icon. If it does not have a review, it is seen as such. For me, is pulling over all of the categories for the areas of interest that I assigned myself during onboarding. You can modify those areas of interest as well in your profile. I'll show you that here soon as well. If I go to the plus icon, I can add a new review for either a product or a place. I can either search products by searching the name, or I can click here on the barcode icon and actually have the opportunity to scan a barcode and utilize that to find a product. However, in this demonstration for this recording, we're not able to do so because of the program, but I encourage you guys to utilize this functionality. It's absolutely fantastic. Allows you to scan a product, finds that product automatically, and allows you to easily leave a review. I can come over here to places as well, search for a place, type in the address of that location, and have the either previous existing review locations appear so that I can click on it and quickly leave a review for this place as well. Obviously, I think it's 10 out of 10 and I would recommend it to a friend. I can come here and either add a photo or video by clicking on either one of those icons. I can skip that if I would like. I can come in here and add a review for this. And submit my review. It'll ask me to share Grapevyne. To submit your review, please share Grapevyne with 3 friends. I will allow access to my device. These are just test placeholders for now. I'll come in here and be able to press share and send these messages to 3 users in order to have it so that I now have the ability to share that icon. Once I share that, with 3 of my users in my phone, I'm then able to press next. It gives me a review of my review, the address, my description, and who I've shared this review with, and I can press submit review. I can then be asked if I would like to be paid for my review. This is where the system is then encouraging me to become an associate. For now, until that development is complete, I'm going to press no. It informs me that my review has been submitted, and it takes me back to my feed screen where in the next upload and the next build coming next week, we'll have my review right here in my display in my own feed. Therefore, the user will understand and be confirmed that their review has been submitted properly. I can come over here now to my notifications. These are where all my notifications will compile as other members in my network leave reviews or anything else I need to be informed of as well. Here I can see my profile. I can see my own reviews that I have left as well, not only for the business that I just used in the example, my yogurt that I had yesterday, a local pizza place, and the staples that I have on my desk. A very generous reviewer with many 9 and 10 rating reviews. I can come over here to see any bookmarks. I haven't added any products or places as bookmarks. If I do, I can come over here, for instance, the Jenga game. Big Jenga fan, I can come over here to this and bookmark this product. Bookmark has been added successfully. Then if I ever go back to my profile and I check my bookmarks, you can see there that the Jenga game has been saved by bookmarks. And you could add as many products or places as you'd like to this bookmarks section here under your profile. When I go back to my profile, I'm able to see how many members are underneath my Vine and how many reviews I have left. The overall rating scores for my Vine network and the Grapevyne network overall. We still have some scoring and logistical changes to make as far as the calculations computing properly there. Here is where I'll be able to view and manage my wallet. Right now, this is showing all of the transactions that could occur in my wallet. The history of those transactions are listed down here below. It shows the account that my wallet is connected to. And anytime I can withdraw any amount of funds from my wallet to my bank account directly. Here I'm able to review my user analytics, what type of subscriber status I have, the number of reviews I've left, number of invitations I've sent out, the number of pending downloads. That way I can go in and see who still needs to go in and download the Grapevyne app that I've sent an invite to, cancellations, total paid commissions, total number of associates, and my current badge status. I'm also able to see my Vine. Currently, Edgar and Michael are in my Vine. I'm able to press the plus button in the top where it will have all of my contacts from my device pulled, where I'll be able to invite other users to the Grapevyne app. I can also share this app by clicking here. It pulls up my native sharing capabilities to easily be able to message somebody to download the app. There's a how it works section here underneath the profile as well. And then always a reference down here below to my invite referral code in case I need to provide that to anybody to join my network. If I come up here to the wheel icon in the top right corner, I can update my profile at any time. Gives me the ability to come in here and if I need to change my phone number or change any of my information, I have the ability to do so underneath update my profile. I can at any time update my interest as well. That's that For Me category we saw earlier that shows products and places for areas of interest that I have marked. If all of a sudden I decide that I'm no longer interested in software and I am now going to fully commit my time to furniture, I can update my interest there and it updates it successfully underneath your profile. Here's where I can see my fees and the current subscriptions that I'm being charged for. I can manage my push notifications here. If I want to turn off all my notifications or if I only want to turn off select few notifications, I have the ability to do so through this section. Language is a really great new feature that we've added. Currently the app is being displayed in English. I can convert that over to Spanish. Go back and the app is automatically updated as you see here, not only in my settings screens, but also in my menu screens and even in the feeds and reviews as well. So by default, the system is set to English. You can at any time change it to Spanish or even Chinese and see the app automatically update as well. And the different languages in the reviews are translated also. For the success of the rest of this demo, I think it would be best if I change the language back to English. I can easily come back here and do so that way. I can at any time change my password, check the privacy policy, terms of use, and also sign out. So I will actually sign out, confirm yes, and it brings me back to my login screen. That also concludes the demo presentation for the Grapevyne app. As I said, today is Friday, January 22nd, 2021. We look forward to the near future enhancements and updates to the Grapevyne app.